In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious blueberry scones recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of sifted flour, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of cold butter shredded, 1 egg, a 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, start by combining the flour, salt, baking powder, and the sugar, and we're going to mix this together. Now we're going to add in our shredded butter and use a pastry blender to make sure it's completely combined. Add in the egg and the vanilla extract and mix until completely combined. Now we are slowly going to add in the heavy cream and mix until a dough forms, and you're going to leave 2 tablespoons of the heavy cream for later. Add the blueberries. We're going to flour our working surface and pour our scone dough out and knead until the blueberries are completely combined. Once combined, we're going to knead our dough into a circle. We're going to cut our dough into 8 equal triangles. Now we're going to place our scones onto a baking sheet. We're going to brush the tops of our scones with the remaining heavy cream. We're going to bake these in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Our blueberry scones are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!